what is a variable? A variable is a location in your program that's used to store an item of data. Think of it like a box which you can store one item inside. But why are they needed? Well, if I asked you for your name, you would know the answer because it's stored somewhere in your brain. If the program needs to know your name, it will need to have somewhere to store this. That's where variables come in. To make a variable, all you've got to do is give it a name. Let's say we want the program to remember the color blue. We will call our variable color, then put an equal sign, then write blue in speech marks because blue is a string. Now, if we choose to output the color variable, the program will show the value inside our variable called color. We can also combine variable in a sentence with other data just like this. Here we have a sentence written as a string, then a comma and followed by a variable. If I want to put more text after the variable, I just do this.